The province of Nueva Vizcaya is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. There are no cities, 15 municipalities, and 275 barangays. Its capital is the municipality of Bayumbong. Nueva Vizcaya is bordered clockwise from the north by Ifugao, Isabela, Quirino, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, and Benguet. The following are the 15 municipalities and the number of barangays in each municipality. The municipality of Alfonso Castañeda has 6 barangays. The municipality of Ambagyo has 8 barangays. The municipality of Aritao is composed of 22 barangays. The municipality of Bagabag is composed of 17 barangays. The municipality of Bambang is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Bayumbong, which is also the provincial capital, is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Diadi is composed of 19 barangays. The municipality of Dupax del Norte is composed of 15 barangays. The municipality of Dupax del Sur is composed of 19 barangays. The municipality of Casibo is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Cayapa is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Quezon is composed of 12 barangays. The municipality of Santa Fe is composed of 16 barangays. The municipality of Solano is composed of 22 barangays. And the municipality of Villaverde is composed of 9 barangays. And those are the 15 municipalities and the number of barangays for each municipality comprising the province of Nueva Vizcaya. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.